Eating a healthy diet is essential for maintaining a healthy heart. A heart-healthy diet is focused on eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods that are low in saturated and trans fats, cholesterol, and sodium while being rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. This type of diet can help reduce the risk of developing clogged arteries, high blood pressure, and other risk factors for heart disease. Here are some foods that can help improve heart health and potentially slow the progression of clogged arteries. 1. Fatty fish. Super rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon can effectively reduce blood pressure and keep clotting at bay. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower triglyceride levels, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart health. 2. Nuts. Walnuts are full of omega-3 fatty acids and, along with almonds and macadamia nuts, are loaded with mono and polyunsaturated fat.
Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which can help improve heart health and potentially slow the progression of clogged arteries.
3. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help reduce inflammation and improve overall heart health. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oatmeal, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are rich in fiber and other nutrients, which can help improve heart health and potentially slow the progression of clogged arteries. 5. Vegetables. Vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and kale are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which can help improve heart health and potentially slow the progression of clogged arteries. 6. Legumes. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in fiber, protein, and other nutrients, which can help improve heart health and potentially slow the progression of clogged arteries.
7. Fruits. Fruits such as apples, oranges, and bananas are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help improve heart health and potentially slow the progression of clogged arteries.
It's important to note that a heart-healthy diet is just one aspect of managing clogged arteries and improving heart health. Lifestyle changes, medication, and medical procedures may also be necessary depending on the severity of the clogged arteries. Consult with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized plan that is right for you.